Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you for the opportunity given to me. I will explain my research. Title is an analysis of student and activity in learning English in the 8th grade at Swasta Immanuel Jalan Junior High School. Background of the problem. Unfortunately, in the case of foreign language learning, student emotion tend to be more discouraging rather than encouraging. One of the emotional states that makes such process because difficult is anxiety. Emotional state such as anxiety can distress student in language learning process. Feeling of tension, worry, and nervousness will impact student ability to perform successful in a foreign language classroom. Since anxiety can have major effect on foreign language learning, it is important to explore the student anxiety. Therefore, the reader is eager to investigate what factor, as perceived by student, might contribute to the anxiety in an attempt to understand the issue of anxiety in learning English more deeply. Formulation of the problem. First, what are student anxiety in learning English? Second, what are the factors that cause a student to experience anxiety? Literature review. Chen and Wu conducted a study of foreign language anxiety of APL, elementary school student in Taipei. By the way of questionnaire, interviews, classroom observation, and document collection, they found 5 searches of language anxiety. They were low proficiency, fear of negative evaluation, competition of games, anxious personality, and pressure from students themselves and their parents. Second, Marwan investigate Indonesian student foreign language anxiety. He tried to find all the types of anxiety experienced by foreign language learner and the strategies they use to cope with their anxiety. Factors like lack of confidence, lack of preparation, and fear of failing the class were the primary cause of their anxiety. Methodology. This study employed a qualitative research method with case study approach. Qualitative method was chosen because this study aims at providing an insight into the case of language anxiety in the age grade of Swasta Immanuel Junior High School, specifically anxiety in learning English. To obtain the data, the reader used a technique of data collection since the study is a case study. Therefore, the reader used in the interview technique as the primary technique, and then it is followed by classroom observation for a validity check. The process of data analysis fell into 3 major phases following the framework of qualitative analysis developed by Miles and Huberman. Data redaction, data display, and conclusion drawing and verification. Result of the research. While other studies of foreign language anxiety focus on either both college or high school level, this present study focus on junior secondary school level and shows clear and convincing evidence of the cause of student anxiety in learning English. According to the student, there are various factors that may contribute to their anxiety. There are at least 6 factors which are found in this study. They are speaking in front of the class, being loud, and by others. incomprehensible input teacher-student beliefs. Lack of preparation, the source of this factor are not only from the teacher but also from the student. Moreover, those factors were discussed in this study, which depend our understanding on foreign language anxiety. Conclusion and citation. Conclusion, the experience of the student provide a great deal of information about student anxiety in learning English. They offer insight on what might contribute to their anxiety as well as what teacher can do to reduce their anxiety. In other words, students can be provided valuable information about their anxiety in learning English. Therefore, it is important to use their insight to create a more relaxing environment. Suggestion, based on the result of this study, there are a number of suggestions can be made to reduce anxiety in English class. First, the teacher should be aware of foreign language anxiety. This study indicates that teacher awareness of student anxiety is insufficient. Therefore, it is necessary to raise teacher awareness since anxiety is an important factor which affects student learning. Good acknowledgement of the existence of student anxiety in learning English will absolutely influence the teacher in treating the student properly. Okay, thank you for your attention.